Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan from Legit Style. Today I'm showing you how to take men's measurement. I have a video on how to take women's measurement and I think I left the men behind. So today I'm here to help the guys. I'm here to give you tips how to take men's measurement. So you start by the neckline like so. It shouldn't be too tight. Not too tight. Like this is the collar. The collar is not too tight. You don't want it to be, you want to be able to move around your neck. This is how you take the neckline, the collar neckline, like so. Then the next measurement is the chest, right here. You don't call it bust, you call it chest for men, okay? Men don't have bust, they have a chest. So depending on how it is it a stretch fabric, is it fitted, or it's gonna be like a loose shirt? Like depending on how the person want it to be, you always have to ask question how he want it fitted. There has this fitted, there is regular or loose or baggy. So this is regular, not too tight. Like men love to breathe. They're not like us, like me. I love my clothes tight. Okay, let's continue. You take the bust line, not the bust line, I said the chest, and you take the length of the shirt or tunic, whatever it could be, from the angle of the shoulder, like the women, right down to whatever length you want it to be. Okay, so the next thing we're working on is the waistline. The waistline is optional depending on what fit. If it's a tight fitted or fit, like a tight fit, then you need a waistline. Or if you really want it like fitted, some stretch fabric and some men's shirt like are fitted on the side. So if it's fitted, then you need a waistline. If it's just a regular cut, or you could always fit it without taking a waistline, but we could take the waistline for the purpose of the pants or a top or whatever. If it's fitted, that's the waistline. The same thing like the women. So the next measurement is the back. We're gonna turn him around from one end of the shoulder to the other end of the shoulder. That's the back. So you take that like so. Can you stay still, man? Okay, you take that measurement like from one end of the shoulder to the other end of the shoulder. And men's shirts are not like right there up. It's always a little bit like down, like at the really end of the shoulder. You don't do men's shirt like on top of the shoulder like women, because that's too fitted. The shirt should be here, like at the end of the shoulder. Some shirt, as I said, a regular shirt, it always depends on the fit. If the fit is baggy, regular, you could take it like right so. You could take it right there at the end of the shoulder, or a little bit down. Or if it's fitted, like a woman fitted kind of shirt, because I'm in one shirt that I fitted now, then you take it like a woman regular. So we're taking a regular shirt from one end of the shoulder to the other end, like so. Right there. So our next measurement is the length of the sleeve. We don't have sleeves, but no, you take the length of the sleeve from here. As I said, for women, you also have to curve a little bit. Curve your arm a little bit like that, so that when you go right here, because if it's straight, when the person moves, it's gonna run back. But if it's a little curve, it's already ready for it to be straight or curved. It's still gonna sit right there. So arm a little curve. You start right here at the really end of the shoulder, and curve it a little bit, and that's your length. Another measurement you take for men is right here. the wrist. Like women, like men, depending on the fitting. But if it's a shirt, it gotta be loose for a shirt. It gotta be loose for a shirt. Right there. The arm. You don't have arm, guys. Sorry. Loose. Again, if it's fitted or stretchy fabric, then you could go in and make it tight. But loose, guys, loose. So that's about it. Thank you for watching to the end. I hope this helped. I hope my men are not left behind. You also need to take your body measurements. You also need to know how to take the body measurement for shirts. It's a little different from the ladies, but it's close to the ladies method, and it's always looser because men are not into the fitted. Men are not into that. Some do, but most men are not into the fitted. They want to be free, they want to be loose, they want to breathe. Not like me. So thank you for watching to the end. I hope you learned something, and any question on the comment section. Bye for now.